Here I am trying to burp him.
Massey, 3 days old. Milk junk.
He is out.
Can you do the front forward one? Where you're holding his face?